Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the SIM reader on the iPhone XR mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and then undo two bottom screws by using pentolobe screwdriver. To remove the front screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side of the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, you need a good suction cup or something similar to create an opening. Here, we are using a double-sided suction cup with the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic car pry tool or triangle picker for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book and remove the shield by undoing 3 screws. And then undo the battery plug. Next, take out both screen and earpiece connector shields by undoing 6 screws. Next, undo the screw and remove the bracket, and then disconnect the earpiece assembly plug and both LCD and touch connectors from the board. Now, the front screen unit can leave from the body. Next, take out the SIM tray. Next, take out the not working SIM reader slot by disconnecting the connector plug and undoing 3 screws with the bracket. Next, place a new SIM connector reader on the body. Next, secure the unit by connecting the plug and inserting 3 screws with the shield. Next, add the SIM tray. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, connect the front screen to the body. Secure the LCD and touch, earpiece assembly and battery plugs into the board. Ensure the connections are secured and then turn on the device for verification. Next, place all three shields and the bracket by adding screws. Be gentle in this process. Next, to clamp up the phone, click in the top section first, then click sides and the bottom simultaneously. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame sides. And finalize the installation by adding the SIM tray and two screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on iPhone XR mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.